very, very rocky terrain I'm on. Jesus. Well, how you doing? Something different today. I had limited time, so I didn't want to just go up to the woods again. What I wanted to do is do some bit of a mountain anyway. And I was thinking, it's the fastest way to get to the top of a mountain. And I just thought of Keeper Hill, and I thought of the e-bike. So why not use it? It folds up nicely and goes into the boot, so it's probably the easiest I'll ever get up Keeper Hill. One thing I like about this bike though, you have to cycle. It's not just sitting there and leaving the motor do everything, but it does assist you, which is good. So up to the top now and get a cup of coffee. I am not back fully into the swing of things with videos and all that jazz yet. I'll get there, but it's trying to juggle life at the moment is difficult, so I have to put my priorities somewhere else. But if I can get out for these little adventures, I will. I brought the drone as well. I haven't had the drone flying in, it could be about a year since I flew the drone, so I'll get it up and see. Nice to be out regardless what you're doing or what way you're doing it. My only pity is I don't have Freya with me, so I was half thinking of getting her a basket for the front of this. It's so sad, but we'll see. Alright, geez, I better concentrate now because I'm going really steep. This bike is too easy. It kind of feels like cheating. You see me on the Tom Crean challenge this year now, baiting past people. I'm glad I'm kind of using the bike, being honest. It's when I got offered it, it's something that I thought I'd never kind of use, and I just take it for the sake of taking it because I didn't have one. But I seem to be always kind of drifting back to it, so it's a good option to have. Just like today, instead of heading up to the woods now, I'm heading all the way up to the top of Keeper Hill for some lunch. Well, I won't say lunch, I'll just have a cup of coffee. I had my lunch. It might be an opportunity as well to get to locations faster for camping, carry those extra bits. I just met a chap there on the way up and I just cycled past him and he goes, "That's cheating!" And I agree with him fully. Yeah, it's warm today and he was sweating a brick coming up and I was whistling going past him right in front of Keeper here, look. So I think it's the 116th highest mountain in Ireland, and it's the highest mountain on the Silver Mines. So it's part of the Felham Way, or I think it's the Felham Way, the name of it. So the deer came out there, but it looked like he had blue twine in his mouth. He sees a nutbag on a Harley Davidson going up the mountain. Anyways, we'll keep going. I just flew the drone up there. There's a waterfall back there. And I had to turn the drone into sports mode to get it back as fast as I could because it was being attacked by a load of birds. They must have nests up there, but this is the steepest part and the roughest part. But the bike is unbelievable. This is handling this mountain bike. This is very, very rocky terrain I'm on. Jesus. This is unbelievably rocky terrain and it's just handling it. You can feel, sometimes even the front wheel lifts with the power of the motor that's pushing it, so that's very impressive. Very impressive. Well, it made it anyway. That was fair rocky on the way up. But here at the top of Keeper Hill, very impressed. The feckin' wind. Is this campable actually? It is, you know. Some nice spots here. Right, I'm getting a coffee on anyway, and I get my jacket on because it's freezing. Oh. Down behind the wind. Remember the last, I had a video where I was up here with Lex actually, sitting in this exact spot, but this wall behind me was moving because there was so much wind. Yeah, nice cup of coffee now and make my way back down. That bike is so cool, you know that? And look, I know I got it for free. I'm not promoting it saying it's the best thing in the world because it's the only one I have. I have nothing to compare it to. But it's really cool. I'm sitting up here now and it's absolutely beautiful, and I got up here in no time, and it's going to be even faster going down because it's all downhill, so happy days. Happy Saturday, folks. It's so good to be up here. It really, really is. Yeah, I'm not fully back into the swing of creating yet. I'm trying to balance work, family, and everything else, and life in general. We'll soldier on and keep doing what we're doing, but I hope all is well. Yeah. Happy Saturday. I'm just looking around at the mountains there and I see massive hail showers, so I need to get my hole down the mountain, I think. Sooner than later. So I'll drink up. Let's get down the mountain. It's freezing and I need a hat on, but I need to just get moving now because there is a lot of rain clouds on the distance. I need to get going. I'm gonna put the camera actually on a chest strap and I'll get some footage on the way down, see what it's like. Alright, let's get going. That was the job. That was so cool. Can't believe the speed of the bike on the way down. I nearly hit 40 kilometers an hour. Like, it was ridiculous. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Okay, thanks for joining me on a very weird adventure, I suppose. But an adventure nonetheless. So stay safe out there. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.